Hi guys, so I am going to walk you guys through on how to make one of our medical masks, which I do sell on our website. It's a product that I've had for many years, but now everybody is in need of one. And on our website you can pick any color. There's a glitter one, pink marble, but for those of you crafting, I'm going to show you how to make one on your own. So what you need is a piece of latex that is approximately 8 to 9 inches by 6 inches, some strips for the straps, These are 1/2 inch by about 12 inches, and you need 4 of those. I trim mine out just because I want it to look pretty. So I have 1/4 inch trim that's going to go on the top and the bottom. And then we're going to pleat this. So I'm also going to have a 1 inch strip that I will sandwich in the pleats. So what you need is some latex glue, which I do sell on the website, scissors, paintbrush or sponge, some sort of roller, and I do have a how-to video on basics of gluing and repairs, so you can watch that as well first, but this video is just how to construct one of these. And another good thing is this is all latex, which is a medical grade latex. It's the same factory that makes any kind of latex or rubber for fitness, medical use, fashion. And the good thing about latex is that can be washed. So there is an antibacterial wash that you can wash the latex. So these masks are reusable. Now I am going to say, I am not going to say that this is going to protect you from everything, but it's better than nothing. So here we go. You're going to want to clean the seams. So anywhere we're going to glue, we're going to clean it. I use acetone. You can use a raw acetone, rubbing alcohol, anything that cleans the surface and gets all the powder off of the latex itself. And then I'm going to put my glue down. And on the 6 inch side, I'm going to do a 1/2 inch seam of glue on each side. And then I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing. So now the 6 inch side has glue front and back, and that's where we're going to do the pleats for the mask. And then once it's not wet, but still tacky, I'm going to find the middle. And I'm going to put my first pleat just above that. You can mark it with a pencil. I just eyeball it. And I do maybe a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch pleat. And I do them going towards the bottom and the top. And then I do one above that and one below. And now we have our pleated mask that we can put trim on. So I'm going to take my 1/4 inch trim. I'm going to clean that, the surface that I'm going to use to glue it. Some more glue. Apply the glue to the trim. And then apply the glue to the mask. And I'm going to just place this down in the corner, and I'm going to pull a little bit, which will help the mask shape to your face. then I'm going to roll it and trim it. Same thing for the bottom. 1/4 inch trim. Pulling slightly. Trimming it clean. And now I'm going to clean and glue my 1-inch strip so it overhangs, covering the pleats, but it's going to overhang, and then we are going to fold it over and cover both the front and back of the pleats. All right. So I'm going to take my 1-inch strip, cover the front where the pleats are, fold it over, place some more glue, and then now I can prep my straps. So what I want to do is clean and then glue where I'm going to be attaching it to the mask. I'm going to trim that clean so it's flush. So now I have the mask, and I'm going to attach the straps, and then we're done. So we're at about just under 9 minutes. So it doesn't take long to make one of these. And again, it's better than having nothing. And it can be washed with antibacterial soap, and then you can reuse it instead of just having a mask that you're constantly throwing in the trash. You could clean it with rubbing alcohol if you have it. Not too bad.